Transpiration pull theory. Transpiration is a passive process that goes in plants and that is vital to their survival. In order to survive, plants hold on to only a fraction of the water they absorb through their roots for growth and metabolism. Transpiration pull theory. The roots. Water in the soil enters a plant through the epidermis of the root. The epidermis is a single layer of cells that covers the root, much like the skin of humans. The water passes through the membrane of the plant cells in the roots, filling both the plant cells and the empty spaces in between. The stem. Water moves from the root cells to the stem. The loss of water through transpiration is a passive process which is pulled upward in the xylem. This loss of water equals a lowering of pressure, which, according to Bernoulli's principle, means that the water will move to the area of low pressure. Another factor is the bonding of water molecules. They are attracted to each other by an incredible amount of force. This cohesion is due to the hydrogen bonding and causes them to be drawn upward by the pull of other water molecules. For this reason, the transpiration pull theory is also called the cohesion theory. Once in the stem, water moves sideways into a plant's leaves and branches. It travels along elongated cells called tracheates. From there, water enters the veins of leaves, traveling to every part of the foliage. Once it reaches the smallest veins in the leaves, it moves directly into the plant cells. Leaves of plants are covered with a waxy cuticle that prevents water loss and gas exchange. The stomata on the leaf's surface have guard cells that open and close the stomata to regulate the uptake of carbon dioxide and release of oxygen and water vapor. They also serve to regulate water loss from transpiration. Were it not for the stomata's closure in response to water stress, the leaves would suffer excessive water loss. The leaf cell membranes and photosynthetic apparatus would be destroyed, and cavitation would occur in the xylem cells. Cavitation, which is a break in the water column, occurs when air is pulled into the xylem vessel or trachea. This can make the xylem cell unable to conduct water. Plants vary considerably in their vulnerability to cavitation, but for most plants, stomata closure can prevent cavitation from occurring.